Hey there guys, StillingP here, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Alterware client. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, before we get started, you need to have a legit copy of the game. This can be Modern Warfare 2, Modern Warfare 3, Ghosts, or Advanced Warfare. You cannot install these via torrent files, as these do not exist for a good reason. If you don't already have any of the games I mentioned, I'd recommend buying the games on sale, which COD usually goes on sale every 1 to 2 months. Alright, let's go. To download the Alterware launcher, all you have to do is open up your web browser of choice. This can be Google Chrome, or Firefox, or Opera, whatever works. And then all you want to do is type in Alterware. Now, I did not type it in correctly, but that doesn't really matter. Now, all you want to do is click on the first link. You don't click on any other link. If any other link appears, do not click on that. But anyways, just click on the first link, and you'll be taken to this page right here. And then now the next thing you want to do is just simply click on the download button. And now you'll be taken to this page. Now there are a few different clients that are available. There's the normal client, the x86 client, and the Linux client. If you're on Windows, the one that you probably need to download is this one right here, which is the 64-bit one. Make sure you download this and not this one, or else this will not work for you. So just simply click on it and it'll start downloading. So you just simply press save and then wait until that is finished. Okay. So now we have the Alterware client. But what's the next thing we have to do? Well, we actually have to put this into our game directory. So simply go to your Steam and go to where Modern Warfare 2 or whatever other game you have, okay? Now simply click this cog icon, go to manage, and then browse local files. Therefore, you'll be taken to this page right here. I already have a few stuff because I did play this client a little bit before. But this will work if it's the first time. It'll install a ton of things for you, but for me, it won't. Alright, so now once you're finished with that, all you gotta do is drag the Alterware client into here. And then now all you need to do is just double click on it. And then it'll do everything, and it'll ask you which client you want to launch. So simply I'll just press 1, which is just the normal IW4X. And then as you can see here, it will now just load up IW4X, which will take a minute. And yeah, here you go. This is IW4X. This is what you will see once you're done. And now you can simply just get into a game, which will take a minute. And like, let's say for example, I want to join Nuketown 24/7. You can just press join server, and then it will load up the game for you. And yeah, I'll do a little bit of gameplay. And as you can see right here, Alterware is working completely fine. Also, that was shitty aim. Yeah, you get the whole idea. This game is working flawlessly now, and it's honestly amazing. So yeah, this is basically how to install the Alterware client. I hope you enjoyed, and if this was helpful to you, maybe drop a like if you can, and I'll see you next time. See you.